Childrens, in this video, we will make addition and subtraction of integers very simple. Okay, so do concentrate carefully. See, I have written lot of question on the screen. So these are various type of question that can be asked in addition and subtraction of integer. So how to solve this question? See, the trick which I have already explained you, just we'll go for the trick once, then we'll solve this question. Okay, just do concentrate carefully. Yes, so you can see the trick here. See childrens, whenever you need to do the addition and subtraction, you have to remember these things. Plus plus becomes plus, minus minus becomes plus. Okay, so just to concentrate. So whenever the signs are same, so what will happen? You have to do the addition, means plus plus becomes plus and minus minus becomes plus. So see here, I have written a trick, same sign sum. So whenever you will see the same sign plus plus plus, so you have to do the addition, and minus minus also becomes plus. And see, there is one more you have to remember, plus minus becomes minus and minus plus becomes minus. This two, plus minus becomes minus and minus plus becomes minus. And what is the trick? Different sign differ. Okay, these four properties you have to remember. And one more, I have just highlighted that one. During addition and subtraction, give the sign of bigger number. This much things you have to remember to do the addition and subtraction of integer. So what you will remember? Plus plus becomes plus, minus minus becomes plus, plus minus becomes minus, and minus plus becomes minus. So what is the trick? Same sign sum. And if different signs are there, so you can see here plus minus and minus plus, these are the different. So it becomes differ. Different sign differ means there is an subtraction. So if you remember this trick, you will solve all the problems. Now do concentrate on the screen. We'll solve the problems now. So children, there are 10 examples in front of us. If you will solve this all 10 examples, then the whole concept will be clear. See here, plus plus becomes plus. You have to remember this first. Minus minus becomes plus, which we have seen in the earlier part. And plus minus becomes minus, and minus plus becomes minus. Okay, same sign sum and different sign differ. And what is one more? See, first of all, remember children, first of all you have to perform the operation. Follow these two steps. Perform operation, and second one, give the sign of greater number or the bigger number. Give the sign of bigger number or the greater number, you can say. Just do concentrate carefully now. We are having the question minus 15 plus 7. So first of all, perform the operation. Here it is minus and plus. So minus plus becomes minus. Minus plus becomes minus. So 15 minus 7, 8. So first what I said, you perform the operation. Now give the sign of bigger number. So what is bigger? 15 is bigger or 7 is bigger? Absolutely 15 is bigger. So what is the sign with 15? See, the sign is present in front of that number. Okay, so what is the sign with 15? It is minus. So which sign will come here? Minus. I hope it is cleared. First perform the operation, then give the sign of bigger number. Now see, what is the operation? Minus minus. Minus minus becomes what? Plus. So 15 plus 7. It will be 22. Minus minus becomes plus. So 15 plus 7, 22. Now give the sign of greater number. What is greater here? 15 or 7? 15 is greater. So what is the sign with greater number? Minus. So give here sign minus. Okay children, now we'll solve. See one more question. Fourth one we'll solve first. Minus minus. So minus minus becomes what? Plus. So perform the operation. 15 plus 15, 30. Now give the sign of bigger number. Now you will say that sir, here both are 15 and 15. So children, if the numbers are same, then you can give the sign of any number. That will be 15 is having only the minus sign. So give here minus. I hope children it is very clear to you people. First of all, what you will do, you will perform the operation according to the sign, then give the sign of bigger number. Now see here, we are having the third question. Now if you concentrate on the third question children, here there is a bracket. Now whenever you will have such type of questions, you will just simplify it. What you will do, you will simplify it. First of all, solve that bracket. So see, this is minus into minus, it becomes plus. So you have to write, you have to convert this question in this way first. Then you have to solve. So 18 plus 7, it will be 25. Okay. See, one more we will take. We'll solve all the questions. So we'll go for the fifth question now. See, first of all, I said you to solve the bracket. So first of all, you will solve this part. Okay, simplify the problem. So this minus into minus becomes plus. So minus 15 minus into minus becomes plus. So first simplify it. So the question becomes in this way now. Now you have to solve. Now children say me minus plus becomes what? Now see, once you simplified the question, your question is this one now. You have to forget about this one. So your question is become this one now. So this minus 15 plus 10. So minus plus becomes what? Minus plus becomes minus. So 15 minus 10, it will be 5. Now which is greater? 15 is greater or 10 is greater? 15 is greater. So what is the sign with 15? There is minus sign. So give here minus sign. I hope it is very clear. See, just you concentrate on the steps. Okay, now solve the sixth one. See, just you stop a video, you can solve and you can check the answer. So this minus, first of all, we'll solve the bracket. So 16 minus minus becomes what? Plus. It will be 14. So first of all, solve this one. So minus into minus plus. So 16 plus 14. Now see, your question is this one now. It will be directly 30. 16 plus 14, 30. Sign of greater number. 16 is the greater. So sign is plus only. So no need to write the sign. Now here you can see in question number 7, plus minus. First of all, we'll solve that one. So plus minus becomes minus. Now your question is this one. So 18 minus 12 will become 6. Again, see the 8th question. First of all, we'll solve this bracket. So minus 20 will remain as it is. This minus into minus becomes what? Plus. So minus 20 plus 10. Now children, minus becomes minus. So 20 minus 10, it will be 10. Sign of greater number, what is greater? 10 or 20? 20 is greater. What is the sign with 20? Minus. So give here minus sign. Very simple. Children, again you can see here minus becomes what? Plus. So 11 plus 1, 12. So which is greater, 11 or 1? 11 is greater. What is the sign with 11? Minus. Okay, first perform, then give the sign. So see the last question is 10th one. I will solve this 10th question this side. It's minus 5 plus 9. So minus plus becomes minus. So 9 minus 5, 4. Give the sign of greater number. What is greater? 9 is greater. So what is the sign? Plus 4. If you will not write the plus sign, then also it is fine. I hope children in this 8 minutes videos, the concept is very clear of yours, how to do the addition and subtraction. See, I will take 4 more examples so that it will be more clear to you. Now children, you can see that this is exercise number 6, question number 4. Okay, so we will solve now the questions of your textbook. So what is the question? You have to add this one. So just I will convert that all 4 questions in simple way. You can say 13 plus 15. The second question is you have to add minus 13 plus 15. The third question is you have to add 13 plus, see here it is minus 15. So we'll write in bracket, okay. And the fourth question, it is minus 13 plus minus 15. So these 4 questions are given to you. So children, again, just we will solve very in simple way. What you will remember, plus plus becomes plus, minus minus becomes plus, plus minus becomes minus, and minus plus becomes minus. So children, so here 13 plus 15. What is the sign in front of 13? It is plus. So plus plus becomes plus. So 13 plus 15, it will be 28. Okay. So sign of greater number, greater is 15, and the sign with 15 is plus. So it will be plus 28. Now see the second one, minus plus. Minus plus becomes what? Minus plus becomes minus. So you have to do the subtraction. So perform the operation. 15 minus 13, it will be 2. Now what is greater? 15 is greater or 13 is greater? 15 is greater. What is the sign with 15? Plus. So it will be plus 2. So no need to write the plus sign. Now, as I said you, first of all, we will solve this bracket. We will simplify this problem. So 13 plus minus becomes minus. 13 minus 15. See, you will think that, sir, how to subtract now 13 minus 15? So children, what is the sign with 13? It is plus. Now plus minus becomes what? Minus. Plus minus becomes minus. So first of all, subtract the, yes, subtract 13 from 15. So 15 minus 13, it will be 2. Give the sign of greater number. What is greater here, 15 or 13? 15 is greater, the sign with 15 is minus. Again, solve the last one. First of all, we'll simplify it. Minus 13 plus minus becomes minus, it will be 15. Now, minus minus becomes what? You can see here minus minus becomes plus. So, do the addition, 13 plus 15, it will be 28. Give the sign of greater number, that is minus 28. I hope it is very clear to you people. You can solve rest of the questions.